I am here to talk about the summer seasons. I actually really like knitting in the summer. Maybe not everybody does, but I really do, because it means I can knit with fibers that during the winter don't feel like they're warm enough, aren't quite right, but they're a very different kind of fiber, works well in the summer. So for me, when I'm looking for summer yarn, I want something a little lighter weight. I want something cooler, airier, that's pleasant to knit with and that's also pleasant to wear. And the kind of things I am attracted to as well is more open work pattern, more lace work. And so that's what this club is about. We're looking at, well, you can probably see from the rest of the seasons, we're looking at the flora of the summer, wildflowers, foxgloves, just beautiful wildflower meadows that are out there right now. And it is really inspirational to us. And so the yarn colors we have chosen and the yarn have really taken their lead from that. So the three colors we've got, if you've done the club before, you'll know you've got the option of jumping in for the seasonal color, which is going to be this color, the subtle color, which is this one, and the brights, which is this. The yarn we've got is just a lovely, delicious yarn. It is 90% Pima cotton and 10% cashmere, and it's sold from Pascali, a yarn company. And it's lovely to work with, and it feels very cool on your fingers as you're working through. So if you're new to our Seasons Club, you have two options. You can either jump in for just the one season and you'll get all the yarn, and you'll get the video workshops that go along with it, access to an exclusive forum, Zoom launch, and we're going to have a whole bunch of special treats that come your way as well, with one extra special treat that I am not going to tell you about beforehand, but it's knitting related and something new and fun and exciting. But that will be all revealed when it comes in the pack. So you can either buy it as a once-off, or if you would like to actually join the Seasons Club, you can get a 5% discount and you'll get a rolling membership where every 3 months you'll be auto-enrolled in the next Seasons Club. But before it comes out, you get first dibs on the colors that are coming up, and you also get a chance to change your options as you go along before it comes up. So that's what's coming up in our summer seasons, and I really do hope that you come and join us, because I had a lot of fun knitting with this and I think you're going to enjoy it as well.